Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about the important weekly levels for the coming week. As we have US Fed meeting on 27th night, 28th is the monthly expiry. Generally, we tend to see some good moves during the expiry week. So, what are the important Astro and Gan events and dates which are coming? Let's do a quick dive into that and try to understand what could be the potential trade plan for the coming few days. So first thing is 24 July, we had that important Bayes rule. Big tops and big major bottoms when Mercury speed in geocentric latitude 59 minutes or 1 degree 58 minutes. Apart from that, Jupiter is going in extreme declination on 25th. 26th, we have two moon cycles. One is moon Earth difference is maximum and moon at extreme declination. So what can be the possible course of action? Uh, so first thing is this is my rule which I've applied speed of Mercury. I click on calculate. This is base rule 27. This rules keeps coming now and then, and generally we tend to see some very good moves here. This was a major bottom, major top, then a big fall, major bottom, and today, yes, it happened on 24th, which was a holiday. So today we formed a perfect doji in Bank Nifty. So break of high and low, the trade can be taken. It can be, till it doesn't break the previous day's low, the trend of higher highs and higher lows is good. So it doesn't mean that we can make a top. It can be a small term bottom, and from there we can see a good shoot up into the market. Let's see what is in store. Our levels will guide us, but this is one thing. Apart from that, if I go here in Gann Analyst Professional and select the date 25th October. Why 25th October? Because this was the top of Bank Nifty on 25th October 2021. And let me just quickly show you that also. So you can see here, this was the date 25th October. This was the top. If I just move this wheel, we got an important date on July 26th, which is tomorrow. So again, an important Astro date, sorry, Gann date, because so when both Astro and Gann dates are coming together, you have to be extremely cautious because we can see some really good moves into the market. And another thing which I've seen is this is again a static price tools. So if you touch this top and this bottom, 25th July is the 50% of that, and we have made a perfect doji at the Gann angle resistance zone. If today's low is breached, then we can see a quick fall in Bank Nifty all the way towards 35,703 because it is at the Gann angle resistance. This is a pure price and time squaring in Bank Nifty. Both price and time are meeting together. I can just quickly show you here also. You go here. This was the top we made. This is the bottom. And sorry, no, not this one. You have to go to static. This one. This was the top. This was the bottom. Yeah, and you get it. So this is an important time cycle. Now let's look at the levels. So as per my trade plan, based on today's high and low, if 16710 is broken, we can see a move towards 781, 850 to 923, and this is the stop loss. And if 16560 is broken, we can take a short trade, and these are the targets. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, 37020 is broken, then these are the targets on upside, these are the targets on downside. The lot size of Bank Nifty is 25. If I take a risk of 20,000, I can trade in three lots, and the lot size of Nifty is 50. I can trade in six lots in Nifty. So one target you can book. 781 is reached, then 852 can be your next target, and 560 is broken, then 489, 418, 347. These are your targets on downside. These levels are valid throughout the week, and the stop loss is clearly mentioned. We have a 71 point stop loss in Nifty and 273.5 stop loss in Bank Nifty based on this trade plan. So this trade plan is valid till the levels reach, and the targets are reached, and it is valid for this whole week. We have also Jupiter retrograde in this week on 28th, so I'll try to create a separate video on that. But this is a quick quick summary of that. And one more thing which I wanted to show you was the musical octave. Yeah, here it is. So yeah, Bank Nifty 36217. If someone is wrong, if 36217 is not reached, 37263 and 38371 we can see. And similarly for Nifty, based on this musical octave, till 16573. or today's low is not breached, we can see a move all the way towards 17066, and on downside, if this is breached, then 108. Now, important thing, like I've told you in the last class, last video also, it's all about the changing of the trend. Now the trend is firmly buy on dips, because any dip which we are seeing will get bought into, because market is moving above this simple moving, I mean these simple moving averages. Similarly for bank nifty, as you can see here, its second day it has closed about 200-day moving average, so this signifies strength. Lot of time these dojis are formed in the middle of a trend. It's not like the doji is reversal. This low needs to be breached for doji to, for doji to show its effect. Otherwise, the rally can, quickly move on upside also. So that's about it. Very simple video signifying the importance of Gann and Astro date with a proper trading plan. I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined and trade with the right position size. Thank you.